Welcome guys to another quick video this weekday. In today's Windows 10 tutorial we'll be guiding you how you can install Windows Subsystem for Android on Windows 10 wisely. Yes, you heard it right. You can run Android apps on Windows 10 with WSA. The great work has been done by Mustard Chef on GitHub. Let's install Windows Subsystem for Android on Windows 10. Open the shown link to the shown repository on GitHub. There are WSA builds for Windows 10 and 11 with Magisk and OpenGAP support. We will download the Windows 10 build. Download it as shown. You can download your preferred choice with or without Amazon App Store. The download is a single compressed archive and may download in a while. Please have patience during this. It's done finally. It's time to extract it. Once you are done extracting the archive, open the extracted folder and run this bat script. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you are done restarting your PC, once again start the bat script. This will allow the Windows Subsystem for Android installation on Windows 10. This can take a while. It's there. Windows Subsystem for Android with Google Play Store has been successfully installed on Windows 10. You can continue using it and running Android apps and games on your Windows 10 PC. Happy learning!